has been tremendous at Real Madrid throughout his career so far, but I think this season is, for me, the most influential player in this team. He's outstanding. The way he goes forward, the way he does defense. He's playing as a 10, left winger, left back, tackling in his box, assisting in the other one.
This is the Real Madrid team, 4-3-3 as always, and as we mentioned before, it's as close to their strongest team as you'll get. Whenever they start a game, they do not lose in La Liga this season. The last time we did was actually against Real Madrid in that 4-0 that we reminded you of just a couple of moments ago. Barcelona's 4-3-3, Hiam, and we mentioned just the one change, Alcácer in for Neymar. What is the key for them? Is it attitude? Is it to do with the way they knit play together to recover and rediscover feeling?
I think Jerry's mentioned it earlier. Without the ball, if they're actually able to recover early, that's where the danger is, of course, because with the space, you know, Messi and Luis Suarez and all that.
Let's hand you over to your commentary team. It's a very good evening to Jerry Armstrong and Rob Pun.
Thank you, David. Well, they tell us that this is the most watched game of football ever. 185 countries, all dipping into El Gran Clásico. Two teams separated historically, but in La Liga, separated first half. Rakitic right across the face, the goalkeeper's missed it! Oh, what an escape for Keylor Navas. Lionel Messi very rarely misses chances like that.
Yeah, there's a foul there. You can see Suarez falls on top of Navas as he goes to get a touch, but you're right, Messi. That was an opportunity. I can't believe he's missed it.
Asensio, the replacement for Gareth Bale. Asensio continues the run. Benzema on the outside. Oh, Benzema can't get there. That was because just a step of it. So it's the youngster. He's got a big chance here. Passes on to Ronaldo! He wants the ground to swallow him up with the whole world watching.
Wow. Wow.
It is said that this is Luis Enrique,
Cristiano
Ronaldo, his last.
What a great piece.
It could be the game that defines how he's remembered as the Barcelona manager. 7 majors he's won. He's in the cup final this season. He could do the double again. He's done here at the treble.
Across from Tite. Well, let's say. Oh, he gets the player, he doesn't get the ball. It's a penalty.
The referee was arching his neck to see it. Ronaldo claimed the Messi can't pin him down to a position. Jordi Alba. Suarez has hung deep. Ooh. Whistles one in.
It's a chance.
Brothers, but they are at full strength and they're a team at the moment. The big call for the referee. Ronaldo.
Golo!
About 90,000 witnesses all claiming that he'd been fouled.
Right. Let's see this again. Rob, good
Golo!
Just wide of the left-hand post. And again,
entered with his formation, playing 3 at the back. No room for experimentation tonight against Real Madrid. Messi gets past Casemiro. He's going to have to watch his step tonight, Casemiro. That's his job, to stop the flow in midfield, and the referee, a very early booking, that's dangerous.
He doesn't need to get, that's one of the things he needs to improve on for me. That's, hope he's walking now, and he doesn't really need to do that early on. He's only on the halfway line. He doesn't need to follow. Referee's no choice in to give him a yellow card. He's lost possession.
Casemiro to Kroos. Marcelo. Ronaldo with some work space. Benzema fighting for a position in the centre. Ronaldo, big hand from Ter Stegen. It's important because not only did he stop it, he had to batter it away from Benzema, who was waiting for any spillage. Well, this is not good. Oh no!
Look at this.
Lionel Messi is down. That's not a sight you want to see for any footballer.
He's in trouble. He's got a whack in the mouth there.
Maybe the dentist rather than the physio that they're requiring.
Well, let's see what happens when he comes in here. Does he catch an arm, an elbow? What is it? He's holding his face. Oh, he catches the elbow of Marcelo. It looks an accident, Rob, but it catches him plumb in the face. Looks like his mouth or teeth here. He jumps to get out of the way, and the elbow catches him.
It's going to have to go up because there is a spillage of blood. He's got a graze on the arm as well.
Well, if he caught him with the elbow on the teeth, that could be where the graze is coming from. Yeah. Looks like the case.
He may have a tooth embedded. Stegen stays. It's Ramos. It's the post. Scrambled over the line. It's an unlikely hero. Casemiro. Maybe an ugly goal, but a goal of great beauty in the eyes of those Real Madrid supporters.
That's his fourth goal. He scored already this season, but you can see when the cross comes in from Marcelo, they've not been good defending from Barcelona over the last couple of months, I have to say.
It's put assistant referee. Casemiro wasn't waiting around to see if there was a flag now. He was celebrating.
Well, we'll leave that to game, and David and Thierry will discuss if they can see it at half-time.
PK to Rakitic. Lionel Messi. Busquets. Rakitic. Leaves it for Messi. Messi full steam ahead. Brilliant! Lionel Messi! Hasn't scored in 6 Clásicos, but he's back to haunt Real Madrid.
Cut and thrust, absolutely superb. Well, he's on his 46th goal now, Rob. And the little man does what he does best. Clever play, combination, lovely little 1-2, acceleration into the box, and an absolutely top drawer finish.
Well, one for the history books as well, because this is the goal that puts him ahead of everybody else as the scorer in Clásicos. One more now than the great Di Stefano.
Look at his first touch coming in here. He looks like he's lost it there to Carvajal. He goes past him in a flash. Look at the body swerve, the great balance, and then he slots it past the goalkeeper. Fabulous goal from Lionel Messi. My goodness.
499 goals in Lionel Messi's career.
Well, and they're not as fluent going forward now.
Modric. There's Busquets. 2 additional minutes to the first half. Brilliant ball from Suarez. Messi waiting for Rakitic to make the move, but Rakitic doesn't have that turbo. Brilliant ball from Suarez. Messi waiting for Rakitic to make the move, but Rakitic doesn't have that turbo charge. Messi does. Collides with Casemiro again. The referee felt that was the immovable chance.
You don't think they're trying to get him sent off any chance, because everybody, PK, Sergio Roberto, all come surging forward trying to get him sent off. And let's see it again. He comes across. That's a foul. He could easily have booked him for that. And that's why I said the first foul was a silly one. I think if he hadn't already booked him for a yellow card, he'd have given him a yellow card there. And it could quite easily have been a second yellow card. Messi thinks so.
This is Barcelona's first corner of the game. But the final play of the first half. Rakitic right across the face. The goalkeeper's missed it. Oh, what an escape from Keylor Navas. Lionel Messi very rarely misses chances like that.
Yeah, there's a foul there. You can see Suarez falls on top of Navas as he goes to get a touch, but you're right, Messi. That was an opportunity. I can't believe he's missed it.
Asensio, the replacement for Gareth Bale. Asensio continues the run. Benzema on the outside. Oh, Benzema can't get there, but that was because just a step of it by Hiam. Fullback to fullback. Marcelo.
It's a play on the counter-attack. Karim Benzema. Marco Asensio shows that pace I was telling you he's got, Rob. Lovely turn of pace. He outstrips everybody, puts it in front. Well, it's slightly behind, but he should have hit the target.
Iniesta. Oh, and there's Suarez. Top class once more from Keylor Navas.
Toni Kroos is just slacking a bit for me, Rob. I don't know if he's run out of steam.
Gets around. Casemiro, Messi. The one man who's standing between Barcelona and a goal at the moment. Messi gets stuck in. This is Kovacic, who brings a different dimension to the Real Madrid midfield. Asensio. Down the Gareth Bale run. Ronaldo makes an angle from Asensio. Well, went for the element of surprise, and Ter Stegen follows rule number 1 of goalkeeping: never get beaten in their coat. What's in the final chapter? This is Jordi Alba. Lionel Messi. Rakitic. He had a good view. He gave himself half a second to think about it. And Sergio Ramos is dismissed.
It's a red card for me. Two-footed challenge, dangerous play. Don't think the referee had any choice.
I'll tweet you later.
Wow. That has stunned the crowd here at the Bernabeu. It's his 8th goal of the season, Rob. That's his best goal of the season, I'll tell you. It's going to keep the league title ahead. Comes from nothing, inside on his left foot, looking for the far corner. Absolute superb. Curling it with his left foot, that's brilliant. Oh, take a bow, Rakitic. 2-1 to Barcelona. And the league title is still up for grabs. We have Liga.
Well, he was perfection. He had to be. Just sneaking past Navas, who has been in world-class form. Luis Enrique leaps off the bench like he's scored a goal in a Classico, which he has done, of course.
It's the only place it can go in. Absolute top draw. There's a disconsolate Ronaldo, but they've got 17 minutes left to see it.
Long like thing up Barcelona. Oh, Messi. It's one of those tackles where Ramos had committed himself to the ball. Oh, straight red. Ramos is off. Oh, the referee didn't even consider that. He turned it. He was about to speed past him, and Ramos had committed himself. And for the second season in a row, Sergio Ramos is sent off against Barcelona by the same referee.
Well, he has these rash moments, Rob, and he has thrown himself in. My first thoughts were it was probably a yellow, but let's have a look, see. I think he's right, because he does go in two-footed, Rob. He's every right to set him off. That's a two-footed, that's a really rash challenge. And if he makes proper contact, he could have broke his leg.
I'll do my best, Jerry, to play devil's advocate, but
that's a yellow. That's a red.
Yeah, there's no defence for Sergio Ramos. When you see it in slow motion, and you'll see the referee was in the frame of the picture as well.
Yeah.
Tries to find the gap.
Oh, what a goal!
Stunning goal! Patience pays off, and you can see what it means to Luis Enrique. Wow. Ramos and PK do have a social media presence together. Gets to Gomez. Oh, brilliant ball by Suarez. Andre Gomez. PK's in the centre forward position. PK! Keylor Navas keeps this game alive. He's been in menacing form, Lionel Messi. Keylor Navas again. Tony Kroos. Marcelo.
And I don't think he's going to score a more important goal than that. Really massive, massive goal for Real Madrid. PK wants to get on with it. Well, Tony Kroos's ball is good, but the ball and the run is even better. Nobody picking him up. He comes from the far post position, Rob, and nobody picks him up for Real Madrid or for Barcelona. He's run at least 8 or 9 yards unmarked, and he slots it in past Ter Stegen. Oh, if only Barcelona could defend. And you think of the saves Ter Stegen's already made in this game to keep them in the match. Wonderful goal.
What will we say? Hits with hope. Brilliant run!
Oh my
Tremendous
goodness!
goal! It is James Rodriguez, who does write his name in the history books.
Well, you said it, Rob. 2 minutes ago. 10-man Real Madrid. 5 minutes to go. And he gets in at the near.
Keeper siam pa. Woo, refreshment! Manager pa. Manager Pete.
Alang pang ilaw kayo.
Captain Pin si Bay Home Lai Tak. Captain le Captain. Captain le Captain.
Lấy rồi lắm cả chứ. Vậy chẳng áo về mắn ta. Hey, siam mani.
Lấy rồi lắm con cọp thằng này là.
Ini free pen di mana sama.
Api. Phải đi đánh số lâu gì?